أشهد
أشهد
أن لا إله
أن لا إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وحده
وحده
لا شريك
لا شريك
له
له
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن محمدا
أن محمدا
عبد الله
عبد الله
ورسوله.
ورسوله.
الله أكبر الله أكبر
Allah say, inshallah, we'll translate for the brother in English, and he can also say in English after him, but that's the language that he understands better.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is
nothing worthy of
worship
but the worship
except Allah,
except Allah,
and I bear witness
and I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is his slave
is his slave
and his messenger.
and his messenger.
MashaAllah.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله الله أكبر
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu
Allahu Akbar. Congratulations.